In this video, I want to share with you how I got my Sony ZV-E10 connected to my iPhone using Sony Imaging Edge mobile app after so many failed attempts. So many. I guess I'll be another person claiming to have a solution to this problem. So I have my iPhone here. Before you open up the app, make sure your iPhone and your camera is not on airplane mode. The app is version 7.7.0. You want to select models other than the above down here. Just go OK. Select camera connection / registration. Then select scan 1994 QR code. Go OK again. OK. Now press the menu button on your camera and press the function button until you're on Network 1 tab. Select smartphone connection and make sure it's on. And then connection. The QR code will appear on the camera LCD screen and just point the phone camera at it. Go ahead and allow the app to join Wi-Fi network. I would OK everything. At this point, you're in business and good to go, or not. If not, like me, you'll be seeing the spinning wheel forever. Well, until you see a message telling you you're not connected. So you know, I did repeat this over and over and no go. So you want to try another way. Start over again, register other models. Instead of scan QR code, select connect using the camera SSID / password. Then hit enter SSID password. On your camera, press the menu button, smartphone connect, and connection. Instead of pointing the camera at the QR code, press the trash can button to connect with password. Now enter everything you see on your camera LCD screen on your iPhone. Again, let it join the Wi-Fi network. And you should be really good to go this time. Maybe. Well, this is my experience dealing with the spinning wheel for many tries. I really hope this can work for you. And thank you for watching. Do come back.